مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. You can 6 Unit 2 Life's ups and downs. مرتفعات ومنخفضات الحياة. استمع إلى وصف هذه الصور بهذه الجمل وانتبه أن هذه الأفعال الملونة هي أفعال غير منتظمة، بمعنى أنها لا تقبل إيدي، ونأتي بالتصريف الثاني في الماضي.
What good things happened to you last year? 1.
I won a table tennis game by 21-3.
2.
I got first place in a race.
3.
I was team captain.
4.
I made a rocket.
5.
I saw a rainbow.
What bad things happened to you last year? 6.
We lost a football game by 8-0.
7.
I caught a cold.
8.
My dad had an operation.
9.
I broke my leg.
10.
We were stuck in an elevator.
Now, test a partner. One partner point to a picture and say the number. The other partners say the sentence, like this.
4.
I made a rocket. 7.
I caught a cold.
Now, let's do it for real.
هل يمكنك أن تسأل بالماضي؟ نسأل مثلا ونقول What happened to you yesterday؟ ماذا حصل لك الأمس؟ أو last week الأسبوع الفائت، last month الشهر الفائت، last year السنة الفائتة.
First, let's practice the questions. What happened to you yesterday? What happened to you last week? What happened to you last month? What happened to you last year?
نرد على مثل الأخبار السارة نقول Congratulations تهانينا. So did I قمت بذلك أيضا. How nice يا له من جيد حسن. Sorry about that إذا كنا نتأسف عن ما حدث. How scary إذا كان الشيء مخيف.
Now, let's practice the comments. 1. Congratulations. 2. So did I. 3. How nice. 4. Sorry about that. 5. How scary. Now, ask, listen, and comment, like this.
What happened to you yesterday?
I won a table tennis game by 21-3. Congratulations.
What happened to you last week?
I caught a cold. Sorry about that.
Now, let's do it for real.
Grammar in action. القواعد. تدرب على هذه الأفعال في الماضي.
I won. You won. He won. She won. We won. You won. They won.
نتدرب على أنشودة الأفعال الماضية باستخدام irregular verb chunks الأفعال غير المنتظمة التي لا تقبل ED، ونأتي بالتصريف الثاني lost, won, got, was, made, saw, caught, had, broke, were.
Won. Lost. Lost.
I lost a tennis match.
2. Won. Won.
We won a football game.
3. Got. Got.
I got 200 points in a computer game.
4. Was.
I was sick.
5. Made.
I I made a treehouse.
6. Saw.
I saw a rainbow.
7. Caught.
I caught a big fish.
8. Had.
We had a cake.
9. Broke.
I broke my glasses.
10. Were.
We were happy.
قائمة بالأفعال غير المنتظمة التي عليك أن تتدرب عليها. win يفوز، won فزنا، lose يخسر، lost خسرنا، get يحصل، got حصلنا أو حصل على، am is يكون، was كان، make يصنع، made صنع، see يرى، saw رأى، catch يمسك، caught مسك، have has لديه، وتختلف باختلاف الفاعل، she he he she it has، والبقية ضمائر have، بينما في الماضي الجميع يأخذون had has وhave تعني يملك أو لديه، وهاد ملك كان لديه. break يكسر، broke كسر، are يكون للجماعة، were كانوا للجماعة.
First, let's practice the irregular verbs. Win, won. Lose, lost. Get, got. Am, is, was. Make, made. See, saw. Catch, caught. Have, has, had. Break, broke. Are, were. Now practice in pairs. One partner say a verb. The other partner say the past tense form, like this.
Are you ready? Okay.
Are.
Were. Win.
Won.
Okay, my turn.
Lose.
Lost. Get.
Got.
Okay, now it's your turn.
تدرب على لعبة الأفعال غير المنتظمة.
Verb Game 1. Practice.
Let's play. Listen carefully to the sentences and circle the past tense verbs. I caught a big fish. I lost a football game. I got 200 points in a computer game. I had a cake. We were happy.
I want to win. I'm so close.
I made a treehouse.
Done.
Okay, tell me your answers.
Lost. Caught. Got. Had. Were. Made.
Yes, that's right. Well done. Now, let's play for real.
الآن قم بكتابة الأفعال غير المنتظمة حسب السماع.
Okay, did you write 9 verbs in the verb game squares in a different order? Now, listen carefully to the sentences and circle the verbs. Are you ready? I got 200 points in a computer game. We lost a football game. We were happy. I caught a big fish. I made a treehouse. I had a cake. I saw a rainbow. I was sick. I broke my glasses. Did you get all the verbs? That's great. Now, let's play again.
Reading and writing قراءة وكتابة. My brother خالد تدرب على هذه.
My brother Khalid. My brother Khalid went to the cupboard to find something to eat. But when he got there, the cupboard was bare, and so he had nothing to eat. He went to the grocer's to buy some fruit and milk. But when he came back, he was holding an empty brown bag. Poor Khalid. Okay, now it's your turn.
تدريبات على الأفعال في الزمن المضارع والزمن الماضي. السطر الذي في الأسفل مضارع، السطر الذي في الأعلى ماضي.
Like this. First, let's practice the verbs.
Went, goes, got, gets, was, is,
Had,
has, went,
goes,
came, comes,
was.
is.
Okay, now change the verb tense and say the chant. Like this.
My brother Richard goes to the cupboard to find something to eat. But when he gets there, the cupboard is bare, and so he has nothing to eat. He goes to the grocer's to buy some fruit and milk, but when he comes back, he is holding an empty brown bag. Poor Richard.
Okay, now it's your turn.
تدرب على هذه الأنشودة وضع دائرة على الكلمة الصحيحة.
First, let's practice the words. Listen and point. Meat, chicken, cheese, butter, tomatoes, salad, macaroni, bread, carrots, onions, potatoes, apples, rice, flour, eggs, oil, juice, milk, mustard, ketchup. Are you ready? Now listen and circle the words.
We had some meat, but we didn't have any cheese. We had some tomatoes, but we didn't have any macaroni. We had some onions, but we didn't have any apples. We had some flour, but we didn't have any eggs. We had some juice, but we didn't have any mustard.
Now make pairs and write a list of what they had. What did they cook?
Change the words and rewrite the chant with a partner. Exchange chants. What can you cook? Comment on the chant. I think it's boring, interesting, funny, easy, difficult.
تدريبات على نطق فا في اللغة الإنجليزية وإملاؤها F و PH و GH.
F says f, f. Frog, frog.
F, F, frog.
PH says f, f. Phone,
F, f, phone.
GH says f, f. Laugh,
F, f, laugh.
Remember, they all make the same sound.
الآن قم بكتابة الإملاء الصحيح لهذه الكلمات.
1.
Friends, friends. Did you circle F?
2.
Photo, photo. Did you circle PH?
3.
Elephant, elephant. Did you circle PH?
4.
Laugh, laugh. Did you circle GH? Now write the missing letters and complete the words.
تدرب على هذه الأنشودة بالنطق فا في هذه الحالات.
Enough! Don't laugh. I know it's tough, but it's lots of fun.
Enough! Don't laugh. I know it's tough, but it's lots of fun.
أكمل الجملة بأحد هذه الكلمات والتي تحوي على نطق فا. اقرأ هذه المقالة التي كتبها محمد عن يومه.
First, listen and read the text. Then, read it on your own.
Yesterday, we went to an adventure park. Our father drove us there. My sister and I saw some friends from school and played with them. Then we went on rides with our parents. It was great fun. After the rides, Dad got me a burger. My sister didn't want one, so he got her an ice cream. We were really good, so Dad promised to take us again next week. I can't wait.
Now, read it on your own and circle me, her, us, them.
هل يمكنك أن تكتب عن يوم محمد؟ كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.